Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to learn one more common mistake in Go language, that Go language have clash with Pythagoras theorem. How I can prove? You see that if I am running this on the basis of Pythagoras theorem, if I put these two condition Pythagoras theorem, then this is equal to this and this is equal to this is clearly proved by Pythagoras theorem. But if I run this here, you see one is true and second is false. That means this Go language is clash with Pythagoras theorem. So both results are different but on same algorithm. Why? It is because this is not a power operator in Go language, but in other languages it look like a power operator, because other languages use this operator as a power operator. But here it is XOR operator. So if I put these XOR operation here, you see, if this 3 and 2 I make a XOR, it become 1. If I put 4 and 2, it becomes 6. If I put 5 and 2, it becomes 7. So 1 plus 6 equal to 7. So 7 equal to 7, then condition is true. But in case of second, we have a 6 and 2, we have 4, 8 and 2, we have a 10, 10 and 2, we have a 8. That's why it is not equal. So we have a false. So how we can achieve the power? Simple, we have to make a multiplication like this. So 6 into 6, 8 into 8, 10 into 10, because it's a power of 2. So 2 times we are doing a multiplication by using multiplication operator. And here if I run it, you see we have the true. So I can use this also, because by mistaken it is proving the true, but actually it's a XOR operator. So we have to use 5 into 5, 4 into 4 and 3 into 3, like this. In Go language there is no power operator available. Now it is also true, it is also true. Now they having the same result on Pythagoras theorem. So I think you learn anything from this video. If you really like this, share my video, like my video and consider my channel to be subscribed. Thanks for watching this video.